Hey YouTube family, Mike Jones here, back with another video on my channel where we talk about all things investing in personal finance with the genuine hope that we will be able to inspire you to go ahead and get started with your financial freedom journey. But with that said, if you would take a moment to go ahead and smash that like button and hit the subscribe, that would be really awesome, as it goes a long way to helping us get to where we want to be. We want to hit 500 subscribers by summertime. We are at about 355 today, so shout out to everybody that's already joined. But if you could subscribe, that'd be really awesome. With that said, let's go ahead and get right into the video. So we're going to go ahead and start screen recording. And today we're talking about my Webull portfolio. We're actually going to be buying some shares in my Webull portfolio. As you can see, I've put in $961.50. I already had about $6 in the account, so that's why there's extra money in there. But let's go ahead and get into what we're gonna buy. So the first thing we're gonna go ahead and buy is Rocket Companies. I've told you guys for a very long time that I'm very bullish on this company, and I'm gonna put my money where my mouth is, as scary as it is, you know, because this is a speculative stock. But their financials and everything that I've seen from their stocks, you know, analytics has shown me that this is a company that should do well in the near future. They have a great market cap. They're in a great PE range, and they, you know, generate earnings per share. So we're gonna go ahead and buy right now. We're gonna buy 33 shares of this company at $19.35. We're gonna go and up that limit price to about $19.45, just to make sure that we're able to get the amount that we want. So we're gonna go ahead and keep on going up till we hit 33, because we want 50 shares of this bad boy. And so we have 33 right there. We're gonna hit yes, extended hours, and we're gonna go ahead and hit buy. And it's already filled for us. As you can see, we got it at $19.33. So that's absolutely phenomenal. But we still have $329 left. So with that said, we have other companies in or stocks in our portfolio that are also down. So we're gonna buy another share of Clorox. And so we're gonna buy one share of Clorox because we're not rich enough to buy more than one share, but it's still at a discounted rate. So this is phenomenal for us. We're going to hit yes, and then we're going to go ahead and get that order filled at $184.46. That leaves us about $145.30 to spend, and with that $145.30, we're going to go ahead and buy 5 shares of Hyliion. This is a speculative stock that I've talked about previously. And I do believe that, you know, when the EV sector starts to blow up, this will be one of the companies that blows up during that. So we're going to go ahead and buy, hit yes, raise that just a little bit so we can make sure we get in, hit buy, and our order was filled at $8.76 per share, 5 shares of that. And so we have $101.45 left. What should we do with that $101.45? Now we're going to go ahead and look through our portfolio and see if there's anything that we really are attracted to that we'd want to buy right now. And so I'm looking through my portfolio, looking. How much Coca-Cola do I have? Because I could buy, well, I'd only be able to buy 1 share of Coca-Cola right now. Let's see. I think I'm gonna buy 4 shares of TELUS because we want to get those 6 shares that we have to 10 shares. And so we went ahead and hit the order. I don't know that it's gonna. It went through without me hitting the extended hours, so that's really awesome. So now we have $15.77 left over to spend here, and with that $15.77. I think that we'll go ahead and use that money to buy, let's see, White Horse Financial. Now I don't remember what the ticker for that is, but this is a company that I'm starting to really like. As you can see, they have a nice little earnings per share. They're in a great PE range, and they give a dividend of about $1.42 with a market cap of 316 million. So that's pretty safe. And so we're going to go ahead and buy 1 share of this, and we're going to go ahead and execute that, and it should fill. There it is. It filled at $15.39 for 1 share. So We did add one position to this, but that's not something that we're going to worry about too much. With that said, thank you so much for watching this video. If you would take a moment to go ahead and smash that like button and hit the subscribe, that would be really awesome. But with that said, I will see you in the next one. Thank you and God bless.